Uba Preston Tinsang Menteri Rangba Bendrap ke Sarkar Jalau Lo Ang Bakajing Kubor Halo Kajing Bethay ke Jaka Set Iki Jakliati Uranium Kam Day ke Kam ke Bahe Namar Bahado Menta Kampak dan Setia Kanu Kanu Kajing Ti Uranium Hindai Kadai Tang Kajing Wat Ladan Uranium Ne Am Hagate ke Jaka Ulapan Syairu Baka Sarkar Kam Dan Jing Tebi Ay Halor Kani Namar Baki Bor Sencha District Kidang Le Kajing Tokit.
Whether it is true or not, that also we are yet to get any information. So let the district administration go and see and then ultimately then inform the government. Okay. Because we are also not, we don't know what happened. I don't know whether that is true or not, and then what are the activities done. We really don't know. See, the drilling is only for investigation. Nothing beyond that. Not for mining of uranium. In fact, what they are doing is what they call it pre-investigation analysis or something. That was the technical words used. But there is no big issue. No big issue because it's not that the mining activity started. There's nothing of that sort, as I said to you, because they were only in that pre-investigation analysis done by the UCIL that time.
So that means
I really don't know. That's what I'm saying. I can't say anything. I don't comment anything unless we get all the all the detailed input from the district.